Cutie,
Yeah?
you not finished cooking?
No, mommy.
Oh, you had this so long, how much o'clock now everybody eat them dinner already after them yard? No, look outside. You see, night soon come down.
I work late, you know.
You see when me they cook, they make sure someone get dinner early, and you know too.
Mommy, but me that cook, me that work. So when we come here, we just start cook. I know.
Alright, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, you understand. Maybe you're tired. But worry up, man. Alright, now I'm hungry, you see me, daughter?
Alright.
I can't wait for you done. Watch ya. Make glad to you grow with me, you know.
I have to eat you good today.
Of course. Proper French fried chicken. You will enjoy that dinner, yeah. I can see it. Boy, I love your body. Make sure you set in where you go, your phone me and tell me which part you there and make me know. Because me no want nothing at all to happen to you. What would I do without you? Look at hmm? God bless the day when me need have you. Look how you're pretty. And that's why I love you, you know. And that's what you know, you're very ambitious and you're educated and you can cook. Lord God, me God. My daughter, hey, how you can cook, you can't wait to go so. I'm glad to say you can cook. You're well educated and you're ambitious. I'm hungry, I go back around the room. You wait for you.
Alright, I'm so carried in that.
Did you veg already?
No, look, one of vegetable, but me just some potatoes. Yeah.
Okay, alright. Alright. Look me my baby. Never run from in front. Here in my room, go do something. Alright. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait for you.
Alright.
Yes, mommy?
Come here, quick, come here, me have something to tell you, my baby, come here.
May I come?
Yes, mommy? You don't want to make it pot.
Me have something to tell you about one cousin we may have.
Oh.
Me know you don't know that cousin here. But me and her cousin long years ago me did know. But me never say it to you. Maybe I'll know her. But me never mention it to you. Anyway, cut long story short. She said she want to come stay with me. But the situation you alone grow. Me not mention it to her, so me have to tell you, you know. I mean, you know, she love chat already. And she love the mix up. I understand. Because I alone grow. That's why I tell you. Because I don't want, you know, she go take up space and you go feel uncomfortable. You are my daughter, I have to tell you everything before me do it.
Mommy, you know me don't like people like that, you know. And when me little and used to go to people's place, they tell P like for me is me to stick to myself. And me I stick to myself a long time. So I can want to care more people in the picture.
It's not that, you know, my daughter. Sometimes you want somebody else to talk to. Somebody different, you understand?
Mommy, but me have you. Me don't want nobody else. And they always say too much people they not good. If I sub the case, me will work harder. And if she don't know if she stay, me will parent and she stay. Then me don't want nobody in my circle like that, mommy.
So you say, where you want me to do? Because she really want to come and stay. The people then when she live with, they run her out. She don't have nowhere to go. Her road she depend.
Well, in that case, it could have been me. And that way want somebody to help me. But make she come then. But as soon as me work up like more money, make she go on back.
Alright, me agree with you, my daughter. So me go talk to her and make she know that she can come and stay with me, but not forever.
Because you always tell me saying you too much rat tail lap no good.
That's true. And too much rat. Never dig a good hole.
Alright. Alright then, mommy.
Alright, go on back and look on your pot. You forgot about it?
Alright, mommy.
How want me smell?
I know me party smell.
Me smell something that burn, man. Hurry up.
I know eat.
Let me tell you something. Make sure say any of the food burn for your part. Carry for me part come, the good part.
Me fat nah burn up.
You not burn up?
No.
Alright. Make sure. Because I don't want no burn up food. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, alright. My cousin,
Yes.
you can come here.
Alright.
When you come, me need to talk to you about the staying part. You understand?
Yeah, what you say? Me can
So
come
come
now?
now. You can come, man.
Alright.
You know the direction already, not true?
Yeah, man, me just come straight here.
You have fear? If
Yeah,
you not
yeah.
have fear, you can borrow it from somebody and me give you it back or you give them.
Oh, alright then.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man, me a come. Alright.
Come in. You can't say hi. So true, me and your cousin. You feel like saying nothing, say nothing. Hi, hello, nothing at all. I hope I'm off your papa. They not teaching no manners.
You know, somebody even realize that your mama ain't even there, so.
Before you settle down, you remember when I said to you over the phone, so I need to talk to you when you come?
Yeah, man. So.
Okay. I'm going to make you stay with me for a while. Remember, say, me don't talk to her until I say me and my daughter live. You understand? She not used to the heap of company, because some me broke her. Yes, which that is good. Because you see too much company, always put people in a problem. So she grew up with this in her head. She fi stay by herself. Wish and me taught her that. Me need you to understand. Me know how you feel now, you know. Me a go make you stay for a while. But, you see, as soon as we chump up some money, my daughter go work on some money, you understand? And me go put some money on it. Me go give you and your rent a room, but you can't stay for now. You understand me? And listen. Me know why you and my daughter in a nothing. All when your cousin. No bother with the mix up the carry go and the bring come and the cost her feeling no problem because you see, she get bigger now, you know, because she working. But she no like the problem. So do me the beg you, help her tidy up the place. Help her cook any little thing in the place we do, just do it. Don't make she ask if you do it. Because she easily get pissed off and upset, you understand? Just act nice to her. All if you're not nice, act nice. You know the act nice? Act nice. Because I know if you had a dirty style for a long time, you know. You're not easy when you're ready, you know.
Yeah, go on like that, man. You know, say.
You know, say me a good somebody though. Don't you know?
Of course.
Because you remember one time when you messed around my head and me you did catch up?
Yes.
You're lucky say me forgive you, you know.
Girl, I'm not stop thank you for that.
Look here. You forgot the man when me went to keep and you can't take him from me if my daughter ever here. He no make you put a foot through the door. Because my daughter no mistake, you know. And my daughter grew up serious just like me. So she don't want nobody here. You understand? You hear what me say?
Yeah, man.
So listen to me. Me forgive you if you take away my man. Because I not tell no lie. If you know where the devil when they tell me if you do with you. But guess what make me forgive you? Only more man out there when me can get.
We'll eat more fish in
And
this.
you did do me a good thing. Take away that little dirty crosses boy from me. That's why me forgive you. Because you take him and I get a good decent man right now. But if you did leave that little dirty crosses with me, I wouldn't get that good man here. So thank you very much and me forgive you. And that's why I take you in my place. But do not explain it to my daughter because she ever knows you did keep her mama man. You have to flee. Same time. No care you plea and beg. She go tell me, say, mommy, no make she stay. Because that the daughter that we have, she love for her mother too much. And I love her dearly. She can wash, cook, clean, do everything, and she work too. And I one daughter I have, and you know. So please, be in a peace with her. If she say she don't want you run her certain time, sorry, a mistake me make. Just hear what she say. I choose she have to study too. She work and she study.
Yeah,
when she done, she will come back round. I just so she stay. I have to understand her. I don't want you to have no. You hear? So alright. Guess what? Fear room the round there so. Me and you will sleep on her so cause she don't want to sleep with you.
No problem.
That's how she grow. She don't like sleep with people. Me don't like sleep with people neither, you know. But you can't sleep. Put your head down there so and me put for me head up there so. You understand? You're not lean.
No, sir.
You're straight?
Of course.
Me I go give you one sheet for yourself and me and that one sheet for myself because me no in it.
You sleep some dirty lifestyle though, mommy.
Cutie, how long you did this so?
Me come ask if you're ready for your dinner.
I'm ready for the food, but guess what? You see if as much around here, my food, share it for me and her.
Huh?
Are your cousin too?
Alright then, yeah, mommy. You're going to leave off for your next shift.
You don't hear nothing what we are talking about.
Mommy, me no business with you.
You don't hear nothing what we are talking about?
Mommy, me say me no business
Okay.
with you and your cousin.
Alright. But I feel your cousin too.
Me not share nobody food neither. So here what?
Lord Jesus.
If food finish cook, me gonna leave bed off and ready for next work. So later here.
Alright, me give her some. You eat already?
No.
Alright then. We you say me fi share out the food for her, but give her my food. Don't worry about that. Me will give her some of mine, but that sounds selfish. What you mean you just cook limited? Friend, you did little so. They teach you when you dey cook, you not cook for me and you alone. You cook little bit more pan it. That's when somebody come in your yard, you can give them something to eat. Because sometimes some people come around and they're real hungry, you know.
No, nobody no normally come, mommy, and normally me and you and me leave.
Yes, but it no matter. Even if you not cook for give nobody none, cook if you put it down in the fridge for one next day.
When me I got work,
Eh.
me fry 2 pieces for you and 4 pieces for me. Because I know you don't normally eat late.
God man, my daughter.
So leave me 4
You
pieces.
look like I want something alone, me not teach you to do. It's too kind to one another.
Don't
But
be kind.
as for now on, please, in the name of Jesus, do not let me hear you speak like that again. You must learn to share. But don't worry, me not go give her fear food. Maybe give her some of me food.
Me kind. Me tell her you're too soft. You see, since me come in here and me read up a little person about the language, you see my shaking, you put on a look for me and I behave. Me none of them there's something there.
Are your cousin?
For your cousin.
Are some faraway cousin by your father's side. And nobody for my cousin again. Because you know why me say by your father's side, even though me know say for me side didn't come from. You see where you talk? I saw your father used to say. That's why I left him into bad mind. He's selfish and mean to each other. All I'm friend them, he mean to. They used to complain to me. Me have to say, look at him a big man. And when I'm my friend, I don't talk to him. Why not come complain to me about no friend? Show my man. And please, don't be like him. Anyway, you say I got work. Go on. Me not go down the food. Me will leave yours.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, me still love you.
Yeah, shake food. Shake a short food.
Patsy, you never tell me what make your family them run you out. I could have what you do to make your family them run you out. I saw them grill. No master you need to tell me. That's why they sleep on road. Then suppose you never know me. I which part you da go? You da continue to sleep on road for man use you and abuse you in a demi time ya? Girl, you they run so serious risk with your life. So how you manage on the street at night time? Oh God. So you not bathing or nothing? Where you get food for eat?
Boy, my story, and I like say my story made me look like yours in a car. Me not the worst. Of course, me not the worst. Because my family, they don't believe nothing what me say. And go where people tell them a road, they don't believe. And them they out there say how me carry enough money in my house. And I like that, you know. Me not carrying, so them are going like say enough. I'm go 3 me carrying, and me breed for 2, and me go dash away. And the one when me did that with the last one, we make 3, me not tell him about it.
That means you're a saint.
Of course, me a good girl, you know.
You not do nothing.
Me not do nothing.
Then wicked for you.
Wicked.
Then too wicked.
Bad.
You know say you're too bad? You want bad little girl. You. Can you imagine? Your family then left you in them place and you they carrying one bag of money in there. And they tell me see a saint.
So 3 a bag of man? 3 is not a bag of man. If you are carrying 5 or 6 now, that would have
Hold on there, my cousin. You no know say from your past one man. A one bag of man. Which part pan you can take 3 man? No, me believe say you're carrying a bag of man, so it look like it's not 3, it's more than 3. So it look like you're not tell me the story the right way. Me not understand. You tell me sound lie. Listen to me now. Me take you in, but me not take you in forever. Me just put you up because you're my family. I wouldn't like nothing to my daughter, and she left out on the street and me not there nowhere around her, and she suffer out there because me not there. Mother like somebody to help her. That's the reason why me I help you. Because from me hear your stupid tongue with the lie them, me know say a lie I tell. The people them wouldn't run you out just so. You figure say your family is my family? Eh? You think me stupid or you think me fool even though they don't call me and tell me from your start out me know say a lie I tell. And you have the heart they tell me oh you're innocent, you're a saint. Really now? Make sure say you don't carry no man in you so. Cause big as my daughter is, she never carry no man in you. You hear what me just say? You're deaf, you hear? Me say as big as my daughter is, she don't carry man in here. She have to go with the man there. Because if she can't find a man to put roof over her head, it don't make no sense she find no man to put, you know what? Listen to me now. And now go bother say the word, but listen to me. You come here so you need to look a job. Because we have bills to pay. Light, water, rent. And you know place to clean up and sitting. So we are going to feed you for free for now. But you know you have to look a job. You understand? Me I take you now with a bit of willing heart, you know. Seriously. Me not treat you no way bad because we are all human beings. And me understand the situation. But you see me now, yes, when you come on to me, when you come around you need to speak the truth. So me know if somebody tell lie upon you, me know whether they tell a lie or tell truth upon you. You understand? You have to be honest in this house. Because my daughter not tell me lie. Me teach her friendship small to speak the truth. You understand? Okay, I mean guess what? Like when you come, me tell you say me I go sleep already, don't? You're either go down this as me said before, me up here so. Because me not like sleepy do man, you know, even though me a cousin, me not trust no girl. You understand? Anyway, if you want something to eat, you can go in the kitchen. Take some of my food. Remember what me say, you know? Because she say, me not fi give you fair food. So me I go share some of mine give you. I share it with you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me not have to come share you, give you. You must have conscience and share my part for me and you. So go and go take it. Get up and go on. When you take the right and go down.
Right down there?
Yes, and then you look on the left, you see the kitchen.
Alright.
First door on the right, share out some of the food. Don't bother be too greedy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright.
I'm longing to see your beauty, you know.
No.
Yeah. Are you available?
When exactly?
No. Are you available for now?
Yes,
Because well, I'll just say about the next hour or so, 2 hours. Because I'm here all alone and I'm just longing to feel that sexy body all over mine, and the way you do that thing, like I'm so addicted to you. The amount of money I spent already, like I can't stop. Right now I'm actually thinking about getting a ring for you. Like I don't know if that's against the protocols or what, but I'm just, it's against the protocol.
Yes, honey.
Oh my god, I just wish I could just have you for myself, where I can be you're just there every day, and I'm just inside you every day. Like I just wish I could just have that. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep up much of your time on the phone. Just you say an hour, right?
Yes.
All right then, baby. Just hurry up. Just damn. Hurry up, baby. Hurry up.
Okay.
All right, guilty with the beauty. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
God. No, listen, I don't really listen. You know, I was thinking when I was on the way over here, like, oh, can I take you away from all of this and like both of us just live together? Probably just take you off the pills that you're on and just one day just get a kid. We just live together.
That's not a part of the agreement. You know, I'm not gonna do that.
But come on, we can break the agreement.
No. Me, personally, if it's steer near my mother, I know why.
So.
With you now, I know you're full of sweet talk and so. You don't really want nothing too serious. Next thing, maybe a 2 or 3 months, you're tired of me. You like the service.
How long have I been doing business with you?
Couple months now.
Couple months, years, and me can't get tired of it. Me love it right now. Me treat her like my wife, like somebody me in a relationship with. Me not treat her like somebody we actually do business. Me not see her as a type of person then. I just want to take you out of that situation and just have you one day just put a ring on your finger.
No.
You deserve it. Listen to me. You deserve it. Right? Me try my best to ensure so you get good pay. It's not even, me even want no sex right now, you know. But just that the fact say you're here in my presence right now. Just
The more you want me, it's better for me. Me living with you now, you're not gonna want me like that. You're gonna get tired of me. And I made a promise to my mom, and we have a bond. I'm not ready yet to leave her. I have to set something first.
So is it that you want your mom to come and live with us?
No, you're crazy.
Come on, I would do anything.
No, I'm setting something for me and my mom that is gonna okay after everything. I will go into a relationship.
So is it that
and
you want to
set a
continue doing
foundation.
this? Is this what
No.
you really need?
No, I'm not gonna continue. I just have to. It pays me more. It helps out me and my mom. And help pay bills. So I just will keep on doing it until I accomplish what I want. Open my own little business. And
So
then
you
I'm
want
out.
a business? Let's work on that then.
No, not with you, love. I know why. We can just get to this business.
You know what? Let's do something different. Get dressed. You have more clothes in the bag, right?
Yes, I have some children's clothes.
Let's go have a drink. Just put on your clothes and let's go have a drink somewhere. I just want it to be special. I'm just tired. I just want it to be my wife now. So get dressed. Where's my car key? Alright. So yes, get dressed and put on some clothes. Oh, yes, see right here. And put on some clothes. So change in the bathroom, man.
Alright.
All I
want, baby?
Don't stop the carnival.
Don't stop the carnival and give me an appetite from the rocks there. Alright, have a bag again. Alright, have a bag again. Hey, alright, have a bag again. You know, you see these things. I need to carry up more often. Alright, tender, give me 2 juice there.
Not really.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. New man in your life, that's sure.
Okay then.
Yeah, respect my boss, respect. Like it? Tasty. I'm tasty. I'm like, money I said I have some bean, mama. Yeah, real country I come from here. But anyways, come on, let's take a walk. Come on, phone. Alright, rock. I'm gonna carry up more after. So you see, relax man, I want you to relax in it when you're around me. I don't want you to feel like this is business or anything like that. Alright? I bring you out here because I think this is very romantic. You know, I never experienced this where someone actually take you out where it's not all about sex. It's just because I'm actually have feelings for you and respect you. I just wanna enjoy life with you, you know. It's not like I can't have other girls come over or things like that. I can, but I don't want that. I choose you, Diamond.
Well, as I said, I'm very grateful for everything that you have been doing for me, but I'm not ready for the commitment with you. There's just something I don't trust. Not even one bit. I don't trust you.
Wow.
I'm just a work for my mother get a better life because I just share alone from myself. So I'm not really ready for like a relationship form with you.
Well, I understand. I strongly understand what you're saying, but you have to just give me a chance to prove myself, right? You have to just give me a chance.
I really don't want that. My mother been through a lot. She teach me a lot about guys. Even earlier today, I heard my mother cussing some man that one man argument who take woman. And me not like that. Me not like that style. So me just keep on doing me I do until me ready to go further on. We are going in a relationship. Me not ready for that yet. Me not carry you along. Me not make you go along. I give you hopes and being honest with you.
I'm actually in no rush, and I know you from the outside already. I know that you're a very beautiful person, but I want to know you from the inside. I want to know what you like, what you enjoy, what you want in life. What is your aspiration in life? Those are the things that I'm interested in, right? I just want to be happy with you. You're different. Diamond.
Let's just take it slow.
This is why I take you
let's
here.
just turn it down a notch. You can finish, enjoy the evening. We will talk about that. Not right now. I'm really not on that. But I'm glad you can express yourself to me. So.
Well, I thank you, for taking the time out to come out here with me on this beautiful day, this beautiful sunset with you here. This is good enough for me. I enjoy it. Let's go with our foot in the water. Let's go with our foot.
Oh gosh, man, my belly full.
Your belly full? That is good. I'm glad to know say your belly full. But you look like you're in the dead for hungry, man.
Why, far journey out. I have a little pretty penny way, so I feel big. So
you never eat nothing from morning?
no.
Thank God you come. As my daughter don't cook you the on time. I'm glad you take some.
Yeah, man.
I eat
A
it.
little bit and enough, you know. And enough.
That's good. Glad to know so you get something to eat. You understand?
Yeah, man.
That's nice. So you did bed yet?
You know, say, yesterday I'm in a bed. Because I did run up and down a look place to stay.
You're not bed from yesterday. Guess what? You're lucky me make you sit down on my bed. Because if you're not bed, you're not supposed to come on my bed. The bathroom they're out there, so I out of my bed. You understand? A joke. I told me no want in my bathroom because I don't know if you're clean enough. I have my bathroom enough, but for now, I go watch if you say if you're a clean person. Because my daughter easy for vex. Bed out the door. I just give you a few little days to bed outside, and then I can make a bed in my bathroom. The clothes you have on dirty. If I didn't know, say you never bed, I wouldn't make you come in on my bed. As you come in, you come straight on my bed. If I didn't know, say you never bed, I wouldn't make you company, you know.
Yeah, you have to understand, though. I want a simple mistake. You know,
Mistake if you not bed and go people here and go straight on it, get up.
You still not have to deal with me, son, girl.
Go and go bed. Never say out the door, I tell you to bed. Not in the bathroom yet for you. No, oi. No matter of fact, come back. Go take up your bag. Carry your bag to when you bed, you put on your clothes, same place. Look here. You did carry as much underwear with you?
Yeah, man, me carry, no.
You can use this soap, but not use my bathroom. Bed out the door.
Alright. Yeah, babes. Me there. You know, say, me just come in one new house a while ago, say clean, you know.
One new house, baby?
Yes.
You have to have it again.
Eh.
They not feel like the rest of people the way they do.
No, man, I want nice set of people, them.
Oh, okay, you know, they don't want to find them places.
Of course.
Okay. So everything good differently though?
Yeah, man, everything good. You can come and check me later, no?
So where you move? Which way you move? Come here, you move.
Rona, other corner around the same place. What me tell you, somebody that go.
Alright, yes. I can't check it. You know,
Of course.
Alright.
Alright, baby.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
But wait. How are you, sir?
You know, say some member I look for change my clothes, but the bathroom door lock.
Nobody in the bathroom and the bathroom door lock.
Know yourself, man. Me just did that chill out, try to taste a little bit and wait for you in top
Chill out in the room door. Come back out in the bathroom door for you and close the door.
Alright.
I don't know who you are, chick. Walk down. I hard life, you know. Oh God. I'm gonna like a dog. I'm gonna share with you. Mommy, no pasta. Mommy!
Yeah.
You share my food? Did you share me dinner?
No. Looking at pot, you see your food.
Me just search the pot and the plate and so none of food around it. Top if you want to give me dinner, mommy, me hungry. Place and time for everything. Whew.
Come in. What do you think?
You have to call me if you give me my plate. Mommy, give me food now.
Lord have mercy.
Hungry man.
I joking, me.
Mommy, no
want to go share out your food, you know.
No food around there for you.
No joking. Go look in your pot.
Mommy, no food around there.
Where the pot them where you cook? Me not go in there now, you know. The only thing me do is send Patsy if you go take out some of my food. But me tell her to leave yours. How?
Mommy, give me food now.
I know say true you want me to share it for, but me share it for you, I don't know.
I will share with you. Come on, I'll be ramping so.
How long since you come?
You just come.
You not eat none of food? I joke the next time if you share out your food, give you?
Mommy, give me my food now. Me hungry now, man.
Patsy? How long since you come?
Mommy, me just come.
And you not take out none of food out of your pot?
If me need take out food out of but you no mood about it. I just go be there and lie down. You know
I joke can't make.
Mommy, just give me food.
Mommy,
Now you love me
no.
ramping too much, you big woman, you know.
You don't see no food in the whole land. Patsy, come here. I want to talk to you.
You know what? No.
Patsy, imagine me tell you say take some of my food and leave me daughter food in the pot. Can you imagine? You eat my daughter food and eat for me plus eat some this the liquor when me tell you to take. So you eat everything.
Boy, me take some of my food, you know. But when me see the rest of the food, they tempt me I bad. Me not tell no lie. Me thinking about that one no more.
You're mad. Mommy,
No.
you're mad. Eat food. Eat food. Mommy, mommy, I want this.
Hey,
hold on,
Patsy,
hold on.
you better tell her now.
Hold on. Oi, no. Listen.
Because she's sitting out of your house now, mommy.
Wait, hold on, let me talk.
Wait, sitting. We are talk.
Oi.
Hey.
You the laugh and the talk, you know, I'm in night with you, know, 'cause you look like a young people food and take it for drunk. And this is a serious matter right now. My daughter hungry. She stand up and cook much hour on her foot and left go work with her hungry belly and come back for her food.
But she's supposed to learn to share.
You left a shut your box. Your mama turn when they and feel it. You realize which part of it? You are providing ya? You can't come at people, you are going to have everything and not left nothing for them. You don't have no conscience when you're heartless. That's a wickedness. No wonder why they couldn't make you stay at their place.
Don't come around me. You have many days and many nights. Remember me tell you
My
that.
daughter shot
Mommy,
him
go
back.
get some food for me, you know. Make me eat, you know, because me hungry, you know.
Look at her.
Oh.
She's very short-tempered. I did warn your friend you come. So be careful. And can you imagine you have the whole pot of food? And then they laugh about it like a joke.
But the funny though, me see she a go on like say. But anyways.
You don't understand this. You come like you don't know which part you come or who you stay with. Little girl, me take you in for just few little months. Not forever. You're not even there for one day good. And you start the problem already. What is your problem? You can't do that. And you have attitude with it too. They shake and they smile and they go on like I say, it's funny. It's not funny, you can't do that. So just selfish. You're hungry for yourself. You eat off everything and not let nothing for me or none for cutie. You can't do that, man. You're not providing ya. But guess what? Me pity you. Me sorry for you. But not because. Look what you just do. You see, if you do it at the last chance me give you, and it's going to be the first one, and you're not going to have no more. So tell me what you decide to do. Is you want to leave now, or you going to stay and keep your tongue in your head and your teeth them to yourself, and learn to conserve, and learn to share. A matter of fact, what you never have enough feel. Me just give you some because I can't have you in my house and we eat and not give you nothing to eat. Not because you don't have it. We are going to give you. We can't be selfish and eat off everything. That not sound good, man. You're full of corruption from where you come from. Take you out. What you have to say? You're not saying nothing. You just stand up and look at me and they shake.
You not give me a chance.
Me no give you no chance. I shot me should have shot your back. Say, oi, when you talk to me, put on your hand. Remember say me on the side.
Alright.
What you say now?
Me go cool out, right?
When I say cool out, what you mean? You hot? When you say you're going to cool out, what you mean? You need to talk to me with respect. Remember me bigger than you, me older than your mama. What you say?
You know, say, I'm not going to do it again, man. Cause me honestly forgot, you know.
What me just tell you? Don't talk to me no attitude.
Alright.
You forgot your age. What you say now?
Me did forgot, honestly.
Okay, that sounds better.
You didn't have to go and say still, you know. Honestly, you didn't have to go and say still.
My daughter, you see what me put for myself? See, I feel sorry for people. Me can't believe the little girl come on your mouth everything. And you don't know what she do. Left the all... Where's the name of she name again? Well, all of the... She left all of the bone in the plate. She don't even wash the dirty plate them. Why she a behave so? Me never have to take her in, you know. The little girl left all of the bone them in the plate round there. And she don't even wash them up back. She don't wipe off his soul. She don't do nothing here. Me not understand and she just come. Me go rethink over this. If you know if she fi stay longer than the time when me did say if she fi stay, or me fi make she go. Me no know. Me not really want to run around on the streets still, you know. But don't worry yourself. Me go look about something for you to eat.
Me not sorry for you. Your pot cover rockle and go look out finish scrape out your wrist.
Nothing never left in there. What me just say she left all of the what? All of the bone.
You see, further you stay from family, it better for you. A long time, I'm here alone and everything alright. I'm here fight out the back to make sure you see everything at work. And you carry one more siblings as a didn't come a problem. I'm here, but never meet yet.
I told my daughter. But sometimes you have to help people. I'm going to look about something give you to eat here. Alright.
Babes.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
You know some of there on a house do a more if you can link me.
Alright, now say nothing, baby. I come right, you know.
Alright, right now, you know?
Right now, come on. Oogie, right now. We have it. I
Alright.
have you.
Babes,
Go on, baby.
there.
Since I go on, you call me for the fast motion and now we have to turn put a gate away from you. Go on.
Hush man, I true them people that keep on ask me one bag of question and so. But they just want to say so, you know. Make sure you say alright.
You know, say me's a man, baby. You can't see how good. You know, say, from your call me on the phone, you tell me I'm ready for the oogie. So you just have me out to say, turn up like a some little security guard.
You know yourself, babes. You know, say, I love you already, but And not tonight that would have gone because them people they inside now. I don't want them come and antagonize me about this and that. So not tonight, but we just didn't want to see it. You know, come and love you and everything.
I call I out of one good mood and I put me in a one bad mood. Half of me take a stone. I'm ready. I have to go cool it down.
Not tonight, babes. You know, over here, Sister already. And me not too trust the big woman over there, you know. I don't too trust her. You see the little one there? It's like the two of them want gang me and sit for me already. You know, so today, it two of them come and contact but say me eat her food. After them give me a little food, you know, them a come go and like say, me never eat none.
Why am I tell you? Feel part rough. Which part the all of the food and say I eat about? You don't see it. You have to move fast. I do what you have to fast. Because we can't take them a liberty. I think every night if you come back home, catch up a post and wait for them to sleep, me like that. I cannot work with that. Tonight I'm coming out in a good mood now, I'm going to go on my yard. In a bad mood. Think about that. Look how far we travel from just to see the eye. Alright, you know. Not really, right now I respect you and things say go. So, you see, if I can't see it tonight, I will wait because you're closer to me now.
Alright, babes.
So, if I'm not going to see it tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Sorry we couldn't lift you up, but that's how you go. Lift
That's
you up.
alright.
Alright.
Alright, babes.
Gotcha.
Hey, honey.
Good morning.
Yes, honey.
Good morning.
Morning.
You know, so me really I think about all the way that tell me do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You finally make a decision?
Well, I'm still thinking about it, but I think that would be amazing to tell you the truth because right now some things is going on in my personal home space, which is kind of getting me away. And I can't just live my life so as a young girl.
That's true. And I'm really, I truly even know you make my day now. You make my day. I was just thinking about it, you know. I was just thinking about it just now. Like, I'm here all alone in this big old house and thinking about you.
I still want to live with my mother, so you'd have to just give me a little time, but I think I'm gonna work with it.
Listen, baby. Listen, baby. I'm in no rush.
Okay.
I'm in no rush. Yo, baby, I'm in no rush. Listen. Alright? So have you eaten?
No, not yet.
What are you waiting on?
Me still go get something to eat, man.
You see, if you was here, I would just make you some dinner. Or some breakfast.
You made me some breakfast.
Or eat the cat. Drop it, puss. Get away. You make me talk foolishness with no man. Go eat the cat. Move, puss. So, yes, honey.
So, I will call you a little bit from this. I'm gonna get up and go solar fresh and get something to eat.
Okay, darling, I'm about to take a shower. And I'm gonna take a long shower and think about you.
Okay, now I'll do the same.
Alright. So can I come over?
No, you can't come over. I will inform you. I will come over.
Alright, because I just want it to be special, you know. I want this time, I want it to be special. Probably I would light some candles for you, you know.
I will come over your place, man. Until we sort out everything. Yes, you can do that.
Get a bottle of wine.
Sure.
And get the massage oil.
You know everything already, so you don't have to ask me.
Alright. You made my day. Thank you again, honey. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward towards seeing you. I don't know when I'm gonna see you, but I'm waiting.
Okay, have a great day. You hear me? Connection. Maybe me call you back.
What make you laugh so? Me know make you laugh so, you know. Me know what make you laugh so. You see, anytime you know be there, always a smile. Me know no joking with you. And we are
Girl, stop the foolishness.
We are doing toothbrush.
Me not stop brush my teeth. What you mean? Girl, stop the foolishness. Me have something to talk to you about. You see, you only see daughter. When you say you put all of your pride and China, I bet you never know so she have man.
Oi, careful of what you talk about me one daughter when me have. You know cutie? Eh? You know
It's
cutie?
like you don't know she.
Oi, and my pitney. Me know every nick and cranny and knuckle and corner in a fair life. What you talk about?
So at home here she had talked to a while ago about babes and see you later and what back or something. Who me hear she not talk to and who she could have not talked to so.
You see you? You're too inquisitive. Now normal something people call people babes. After one man she dey keep. Oh, you know so she have man. You see her with the man? You see Uno? Uno, when people take Uno in, Uno feel so Uno feel use Uno mouth and put people in a problem on yourself. But you see that tongue the way God give you? If me cut out it, if stop and call up my daughter name. Even if she will have man. How that concern you? What that have to do with it is my child. Make me go find out for myself. Me did I ask anything?
But me want you to know say it's not everybody where you say holy, holy. And it's not everybody where you say precious, precious.
She holy, but
Right.
she clean. Look on you to my daughter is a working class person. And even if she have any man, when me don't know about, that if I show you the talk. So what? She a big woman. Only because maybe she might hide it from me. I mean, no want she keep no secret from me. I mean, think should have tell me if she have one man. So I know you come and tell lie for my daughter. Who you? Let me tell her something. My daughter first class. Your bride. She well educated. She intellectual. You know, so she sexy and look good. Every man want her. But actually, me no want she take up no dirty butterfoot boy.
Exactly.
And that's why she not a no man yet. So no come put no man for me pitney.
Well, I know the truth and it's only for you to believe. Because, you see, that one daughter the way you say, it's better you look into her and talk to her. Because it seems like so she have other things to hide too.
I wonder if you know that my daughter is not a child. She's a big woman. Only because she live with me. Because she no want to no mix up with dirty people like you. You understand? You know see how she dress and come out here. You know see how she look up to dated. Eh? Well proper. Any man out the road see her, they would want her. She's sexy and nice and pretty. I want to you. You see Uno love take up people business too much. You see me take care enough to go mind my daughter business and mind for my business. Look here. Let me tell you something. My daughter a receptionist. She work at the front desk. She own all at the front. You understand? So I want to leave out her business. Make she come to me herself. You two mix up. You did see her with the man. What kind of man? He's a clean man. She there with her a dirty man. The man look ambitious.
It's for she if you know what she want to take up.
You see it? You don't know nothing about the man. Although me know say a liar they tell my daughter do not have a man.
Well, based on the conversation with me here, me know say something there is much deeper. But you will soon find out still.
It look like you want force on man for my daughter. Make she stay until she ready to go look man, because me no stop her from go look man. She reach a age. But she wouldn't do it without she tell me. Because she know say me no want she chat to no dirty butterfoot boy. Where if they get her pregnant, they not stand up to their responsibility. How will you talk about? You think my daughter eat that? You see you? Remember say me afraid of you for a long time, you know, because you love people, man.
Well,
You a man taker. Man taker, remember say me take care in my house. I know you come put your mouth on my daughter. Mind me put you out.
Me no want fear, man. I mean, what's no want fear, man? So me know why you bring up them something there again for. But anyways, me go drink some water, cause this something too hot
No,
for
no,
me, yeah.
want to talk to you, don't go nowhere where you go. Me not finish with you yet. Sit down. Me a few case to deal with. Remember, say me not know where you are you in my place.
That not say nothing, but me just like tell you the truth. You understand? Say your daughter keep secret from you.
How much time, Patsy? Patsy! Patsy! You hear how much time I say that to you? Patsy, how much time I tell us you have to take your mouth off of the one picnic when me got? You see people like Uno, use Uno mouth and hold on other people picnic. Please, me they beg you, in the name of Jesus, take off your dirty mouth off of me picnic. Make she strive in the name of Jesus.
You know, dirty are just the truth.
Just the truth. You're here, so you not see with your two, yeah. You can't prove what you just tell me. Me not take care, say.
Ask the daughter.
Well, even if
that's the only way me can prove it.
Patsy,
Ask the daughter.
even if I true, make me see for myself or make she come to me herself. Me never ask her nothing. You is a little news carrier. You is a mix up girl. But remember, me have my blender in my kitchen and me don't want you in there. You're too mix up.
Anyways, we just did I talk to you about that still and it look like you want to jump down my throat, but...
Yeah, but you not even do nothing in our house. A long time I want to talk to you about this. You not do nothing in our house. You left everything for me and my daughter alone. Why me and Cutie have to tidy up your place and you're in here? They live for free. You not pay rent, light bill, water, nothing not even yard you would rake up. Tell me now, I either you take me for you think anybody would have take you up and just have you live that? You think it's your mama?
But the cases are for your house, so that are your responsibility to take up and, you know, clean up and...
It's my responsibility to clean up because for my house.
Yes, of course.
God. If you know, I know you shit that dirty mouth the way you have.
Girl.
Because if me answer you today, it lead up to something else. And you see, to me know you not have nowhere to go. You better you humble yourself.
No, but start with that, man.
So how you ranking at people house and argue with them? All them back answer me and they tell me I need this and I need it. You don't even know where they talk to you, girl. You are rank with me. You see it? Liberty come through carelessness. Cause if me name take you in here, you couldn't they talk to me so. You understand? So you want to say me come under for your foul rules. You ready to come shit for me? Don't bother with me. You know me stay ready, you know. Don't get me on my wrong side. I'm a matter of fact. How you did I go in the kitchen go do?
Girl, I saw one time I go drink. You have one, some man.
I'm afraid of you, you know.
You have one, sir.
Water. Make sure you send them want to little food around there. I mean, know you're hungry for yourself and you don't remember others.
Stop going, sir.
Go and go drink your water.
I'm going to eat your food.
Go and go drink your water because you've got full already. Who to tell if you're not near me out already too? Because you're not even like wash plate. Nasty rich.
Babe, babe, I tell you. Come on,
You look tired.
Tell you, man. You know I'm tired, man. I feel like when I never reach. You know, I tour life already.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna go.
I just want to wait for you to come lie down. What you? Alright.
So you good though?
Yeah, me good. You look good though for the 2 days where you left. Like you went and yam real hard.
One show me go do, man. You just burn me up.
And I said you don't agree with yam so much and put on so much weight. It's 2 little days. At 2 days since you left, you know. I know you get too fat. I want to make you look so.
How should I do?
Yeah.
What make you ask me that? You know her? And it looks suspicious. What make you with our?
How you know him?
Is my man.
Your man.
Me and him there for 8 years.
And 6 months now since me know him.
6 months.
Remember the boy guy when me tell us me breed female and that shit way? Him. Not tell me to tap in eyes, man.
My man when me there so long with, you gonna tell me say you breed female and you
Where she come from? Where she come from? Where you get them
Patsy.
liar people from in your house?
Patsy no run no.
What you mean?
Hold on there, babe, hold on. Patsy no run no joke with me. Because you take with me man already and you come back again. So you love your cousin man so. Every man may have you take them. So this a man you really did that tell me about say you breed from dash way belly?
Yes, girl, that's why we live.
Babe, you know it? You know her?
What a girl, wicked.
You know her?
What you mean?
Look in her eyes, them how she lie and wicked.
What you
Patsy,
mean, no
this look
wicked?
like you want to mash up my relationship. You do it one time already and you come back again. You know him for real? Babe, tell me truth.
Me not understand this a girl.
You see you?
Where she come from?
You deserve
Get her out of my
nobody.
place. Get her out of my place.
You
Get her
deserve
out of my place.
nobody.
She can't get my place. Hey girl, you know how hard me work? Come out of my place.
What do you mean how hard you work?
How long she plan to stay here? Who she be? Your cousin? Yeah, where are they?
I'm a cousin, that's you know.
Cousin who?
She am a cousin.
Get her out of my place. Just get her out of my place. Come.
I'm a cousin.
Me don't want no cousin here.
She named
No
Patsy.
cousin. Me don't want no cousin here. Get her out. Babe, by the time I come, me go get a drink. By the time I come back, you feel left the place.
You see you? You's a wicked, you.
Babe, me soon come
Go
back.
on your ways.
Go on my ways. Make sure you
Go
come out
on
of my
your ways,
place.
let me tell you.
Patsy, come here. Come right here, son. Looking at me two eye them we God give me. I want you tell me the God Almighty truth. Patsy, me love this man here dearly. Me and him there for 8 years as me tell you already. And me can't bother for you take away one next man from me. Patsy, you and my man did that?
Me I tell you truth, girl. Me and him did that for 6 months. And because me never tell him say me dash show the belly and him go find out, him decide say him a go left me.
So Patsy, what you want to tell me say? The 2 days them when my man not there here, a year yard in the day. So how you come tell me say you live with your family them and every minute people are road that tell lie pan and them believe say you they care how much man in a house. So even when you want to demand them and you remember say you tell me say I run you out of the house, you know, so me take you in and tell you say you can stay until you get a job. Or me I go make my daughter give me some money and me put money upon it and we make up and rent a room you because me tell you say you can't stay here forever. So me not understand the problem. Patsy, me no believe you. My man nah go to no woman without protection. You is a liar. Patsy, you're not staying here no more. You're not staying.
No bother with that, girl. No bother with that.
No, you take away too much of me man them.
Just
Look
listen
here.
to me.
You see the bag where you did care come here?
Listen.
Me lend somebody you will get it back. Me don't want you nothing from you. You close them in a this take and go on. No, come out of my place. No.
Girl.
No, me not taking no more. Go on out! Me can't believe, oh God, me can't believe every man me got the one dirty cousin take it from me. This girl come to mash up my life and treat me and come in my house. Girl, really didn't know it for me, man. God.
I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain. The color of love, all because of you. Now your essence lingers in my memories. Yeah. I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain.